This is going to be the unboxing for the iPhone charger. So this is the fast charging. Here's the back, has the PD power adapter, color purple, weight 4.5 ounces, size 60.2 by 43 by 27 millimeters, charger output 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2.22 amps. That's pretty much all it. So 6 feet / 10 feet charging cable, color purple, material TPE, cable length 1.8 millimeters, and all like that. So what comes in the box is a cable, and the power adapter. So you get actually 2 cables and 2 power adapters. And actually another thing about it is on the front of the box right here. So it has like these small little tabs. Apple uses those tabs on theirs. This one does not have it. It's just a rubber band right there. So what's on the packaging compared to the product is it doesn't show what's actually on the packaging at all, because on the packaging it has like these little paper tabs, and on the has like a rubber band instead of the paper tabs. That's another thing. Here's the other one. So I believe this might be like the 10-foot one, and this is the small one. I believe you get actually 2. And here's the other adapter. And this is the packaging. So you get 2 cables, you at least get the 10-foot and you get the regular one. 2 charger adapters. You can use it for the 10-foot one or the regular one. And this will come right off. Like that. And you plug this into here. And that's I'll have links in the description for this. So this does come in different colors, and I got this purple, and I actually did pay on Amazon. It's like $9 for it, like $10, like $10 something. But to me, it's $9, and that's pretty much it. I'll definitely have links in the description for it. And that's pretty much it.